that's all. Thanks for putting up with me. See you on the flip side. Yo, home dog, skillet.
I'm so hilarious. Anyway, I wonder how this week's video is doing.
It's time for...
Hey, a bazillion views already. Fancy that. Wait. Why are there so many dislikes? Wait. What's that there? Oh, I know. I'll enhance it. Ah! Oh, I don't believe it. I accidentally left a topless picture of myself open on the computer screen in the background for the entire video. Why was it even there in the first place? Oh, no wonder people are completely outraged. If only there was something I could do about it.
It's time for another challenge, Charlie!
Hello there, you person. Travelling through time at anything other than the normal pace that we're all used to isn't possible. I mean, yes, I can time travel, of course, with my magical kazoo of time, but for everyone else, unfortunately, you can't. But even though humanity can't time travel just yet, it is still fun to think about what would happen if we could, and there are a number of different ideas as to what the rules of time travel would be. For example, one idea is that of a flexible timeline that can be rewritten at will, or the Back to the Future model. Say that I decide to eat the last cookie, and it's so blooming delicious that by the time I'm done, I decide to go back in time and eat the last cookie again. However, my decision to go back in time was based on me being able to eat the last cookie in the first place, and so now that future me has eaten the cookie before past me has had a chance to, I've changed the course of history and created a paradox. Oh, hey, where's my cookie? Another idea is that of a single fixed timeline that can't be altered at all, or the Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban model. Imagine that this time I come home and find, to my surprise, a brand new batch of delicious cookies. Oh, yay, cookies! And I eat them all by myself. Once I'm done, I naturally want some more, and so I decide to bake my own, but once I've made them, I become confused as to who made the original cookies in the first place. And then I realise that the cookies I've just made are identical to the ones I ate once I got home. And so I go back in time and place the cookies where I originally found them, ready for the past version of me to enjoy. Oh yay, cookies! So even though there is still time travel involved, the timeline is completely consistent with itself, and so there are no paradoxes. If you've experienced as much science fiction as I have, then at some point you've probably come across the term wormhole. But what you might not know is that physics does actually allow the possibility of real wormholes. The idea is that in the world that we live in, space and time are intrinsically linked into something called space-time. And if we take our three-dimensional universe, represented here by this 2D piece of paper, and we bend our universe into an invisible fourth dimension so that two different bits of space-time are pressed together, the point at which these two different bits of space-time meet is a wormhole. This is a wormhole. The only slight problem is that in order for someone to be able to go through a wormhole to travel from one point in space-time to another, we would need an amount of energy comparable to a star exploding, which is quite a lot of energy. I will leave you with that. Thank you for watching my video about time travel. I hope it was both fun and informative. Goodbye. Oh my god. You look awfully familiar. It's me, Charlie. I am you from the future. That's funny, because I just finished making a video about time travel. That's why I'm here. There's a serious problem with our new video. You, or, well, we, accidentally left a topless picture of ourselves open on the computer screen in the background for the entire video. Oh god. Thank goodness you told me. Why was it even there in the first place? Oh, everyone would have unsubscribed if they'd saw that. Yeah, they did unsubscribe, actually. Wow. Well, I better refilm my video then. But wait, what time travel rules are we following? What happens to... Oh. Well, at least now nobody on the internet is ever going to see a topless picture of me, eh?
You've just had the almost imponderable joy of watching Charlie Is So Cool Like, which makes you like cool.